Namaste my dear student. Today I am here with a new video. Today we will discuss numbers and numeration for class 5 CBSE syllabus. This is from the book Explore Mathematics. So today I will start this chapter, numbers and numeration. So you try to see the video up to last. So I will continue my class. Okay. So today we will discuss about numbers beyond this. How we read this? 9,99,999. Okay. So how we read this number? 9 what? Lakh. 9 lakh 99,999. Okay. How we read this? 9,99,999. Okay. If we add with this number, if we add 1 with this number, what we get? So 99999. If you add what? 1, what you get? You will get what? A number. What? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then so you will get a number. What? This is what? How many? 1 2 this is 10. This is the how many place? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. So you have to, we will get what? A 1 0 will be place. Okay. So here what you get? This is, so you will get this part. Okay. What? This is the smallest what? 7-digit number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is what? Smallest 7-digit number. Okay. This is what? Smallest 7-digit number. How we read this? This is what? How we read this? This is ones, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, then lakh. That is how we read this? 10 what? Lakh. 10 lakh. That is how we read this? This is 10 lakh. Okay. Now you see, if we add for the greatest what? Greatest 7-digit number is what? Greatest 7-digit number is what? This is the greatest 7-digit number. What? 99,99,999. This is the what? Greatest 7-digit number. Okay. This is the greatest 7-digit number. If we add 1 here, what you get? You will get 1 2 3 4 5. Then what you get? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the smallest what? 8-digit number. Smallest 8-digit number. So how we read this? That is 1, then 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, then 10 lakh, then 1 crore. How we write this? 1 crore. Okay, 1 crore. Okay, in this way we get what? The greatest number, smallest number, greatest number. Okay, so in this way we get the other number. So this is the what? So here the smallest 8-digit number. So here what you get? 1 crore. Okay, in this way you get the other number. Okay, next we will discuss the system of a number. That is there are two systems. One is Indian place value system and international place value system. So how we represent some number in Indian place value system? So let's see how we represent that a number in what? Indian place value system. So now we will discuss about Indian place value system. So in Indian place value system there are 4 periods, that is periods, 4 periods, that is ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. So in ones there are 3 places, 1, 10, 100 and this is 1000, 10,000 and here we will get lakh, then we will get 10 lakh and here crore. So see, then 10 crore. Okay, what? So here you get crore and 10 crore. So in this way, so these are the places in Indian place value system. There are 4 periods. Suppose we have to represent one number. So we have to place one number, that is suppose what? 10,000. 10,000. How I will represent this? This is written as 10,000. So 10,000. So you have to represent here. Okay, Indian place value system. So 10,000. This here it started from here. Okay. Suppose you have to represent 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Okay. 1 lakh. How we represent? So that is 1 lakh. 1 lakh how we represent. Okay, so 1 lakh it is from what? This 1 0 0 0 0 0. So and suppose you have to represent, you have to place another number, suppose 10 crore. Okay, 10 crore you have to represent here. 10 crore, that is okay, that is how we represent. Now we see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 you put here another 0, 10 crore. Okay, so here 10 crore. Okay, this is what? 10 crore. Okay, so in this way we can represent a number in Indian place value system. So here how many periods? Here 4 periods is there. 4 periods. Okay, so they are what? One is what? Crores. Second one is lakh. Third one is thousand, thousands, and last one is what? ones. Okay. Though in Indian place value system there are 4 periods, that is crore, lakhs and thousand, and last one is ones. Okay. So now we will discuss about international place value system. Okay. Let's see what is that. So in international place value system there are 3 periods. Okay. In international place value system there are 3 periods. Okay. Now see, that is first one is ones, then thousand, thousands, and the last one is millions. Okay, these are the periods. And place, how many places you see? Places here 3 places, that is 1, 10, 100, and here also 3 places, 1000, then 10,000, then 10,000, then 100,000, and here also 3 period, million, 10 million, and 100 million. Okay, 100 million. Okay, so in international place value system they have 3 periods and how many places? 9 places. Okay, so suppose you have to put one number, suppose 10,000, now 100,000, 100,000. Okay, 100,000, that is it, 100,000 to 100,000. How we 100,000 how we represent in a international place value system? The 100,000 you have to put here in this way, and suppose 10 million. 10 million how we represent? 10 million. So 10 million how we represent in international place value system? So 10 million, so you have to put here 1 0 and 3 0 here. So in this way you will get the what? International place value system. So we can represent a big number in Indian place value system and international place value system. Okay. So now we will discuss how we read a number. Actually, how we read a number, how we write a number in Indian place value system and in international place value system. Let's see how we read a number. Okay, international place value system. Okay, so for reading a number, so you have to, how we read? You have to read the number, what? All the digit in the same period are what? Read together. Okay, together. All the digits in the same period are read together. For writing, second number, writing. For writing, actually we have to put comma. We have to put comma after every period. Okay, every period, to separate the what? To separate the periods. Separate the periods. Okay. All the digits in the same period are read together, and we have to put comma after every period to separate the periods. Okay. Let's see, for example,
So if we take one example, suppose 2 4 57 175. So you have to read number in Indian place value system. How we read this? So this is what 24 what lakh, 24 lakh. Okay, 57 57,000, 57,100, 175. Okay, this is the reading part. 24 lakh 57,175. Okay, in this way we have read a number in Indian place value system. Okay, so suppose you have to write in word. Okay, you have to write a number in what figure. So next example, suppose write in what, write in figure. How will write? So question is given, suppose 3 crore 15 lakh 15 lakh. Okay, 3 crore 15 lakh 72,000, 72,000. Okay, 72,000, 300, 305. Okay, this is the number. So you have to write in figure. Okay, what is given? 3 crore. Okay, from the last you write the number 305. So first you write 305, then you put one comma. Okay, next one 72,000, 72,000. Okay, next again you put comma, because every period you have to put comma. Then 15 lakh, here you have to put 15 lakh, and 3 crore, here 3 crore 15 lakh 72,305. Okay, in this way we can read and write a number in Indian place value system. So now we will take one example for writing or reading in international place value system. Let's see how we read and write a number in international place value system. Okay, so for international place value system, so how we read a number, let's see. Okay, wait for a minute. Okay, I'll take one. So first, suppose write in word, write in word. Okay, in international place value system, 235, 178. Okay, so how we read this number? Okay, now you see 235, you have to read this number together. So 235 what? 1000. You have to write the period what? Together. Okay, 235,170 what? 8. Okay, this is in international place value system. So suppose another example, write in figure. Okay, when a number is given, suppose write in figure. Okay, write in figures. Okay, suppose 300 million 300 million 23,000 105. So you have to write this number, you have to write in figure in the international place value system. So you write in the last 105 means 105. Okay, then 23,000 so 23 23,000. Okay, then 300 million, so you have to put here 10 because this is the 1000 period. Okay, then 300 million, so you write here 300 million 23,105. This is in international place value system. You have to put in every period, you have to put comma. Okay, so this is about international place value system and Indian place value system. So now we will discuss how international place value system and Indian place value system are related. This is the comparison between Indian and international place value system. You try to see, and if you subscribe my channel for new video. Thank you.